I saw a Facebook ad going around, received in my own feed. It says Japanese red vitamin for nerve pain, dealing with nerve discomfort in your feet, legs, or hands, and has 1.7 million views. And this is from advertising, not like a normal post. So Facebook and Instagram, meaning Meta, they accept money for scams. They bring in money from scams to allow scams to thrive. No one does anything to Meta for the fact that they do help scams thrive. And this happens over and over again. And I'm talking thousands of scam ads that I've seen for several years now. No one from the FTC, I don't know, the FBI, regulatory authorities, anyone is doing anything to hold Meta to account. And at the same time, Meta reports tens of billions of dollars in quarterly revenue to their investors. And no one can be bothered to do anything to police Meta for allowing scams, basically, in a way, kind of, partnering with scammers, sort of, by accepting their money and giving them success with the first step of their scam, which is getting the word out. And no one does anything to stop it. It's really, really crazy that this is not a much bigger story. But, it is what it is. Unfortunately, some things that are really important don't get the air time that they deserve, right? That's the way things are these days. So as you can see here, it's an ad. I said it has 1.7 billion views. Let's watch this really quick.
3 myths about neuropathy.
All right, this guy, it's been 2 seconds. He's AI. He's not real. You can kind of tell. And I'll tell you, I can show you. See how it says apple cider vinegar down here? They're trying to have an AI tool come up with a bottle that looks like the apple cider vinegar bottle that you might be able to pick up in your own grocery store. But apple and cider, the letters don't look legible because AI created this. And I don't know what these Japanese letters mean, I guess. And 3 myths about neuropathy. Does he have extra fingers? That's sometimes an AI thing. But watch his face for the first 2 seconds. Then I'll zoom out and we can watch the rest of this video. Watch this.
About neuropathy.
You could tell it's fake.
These 3 lies about nerve pain are as dangerous as a scalpel in the hands of a blind man. And you're following them every day. Number 1, it's just age or diabetes.
Can see again. It says brag a little bit better there, but apple cider vinegar, like you can't read it, vinegar, like it's melting.
No, it's not. This is the laziest excuse that traditional medicine has come up with, because there are 75-year-olds with no pain at all and 30-year-olds with completely destroyed nerves. Today, science already knows that what's behind nerve pain isn't age or blood sugar. It's the accumulation of nerve-destroying toxins over the years, which slowly corrodes the myelin sheath around the nerves and interfere with their function, causing pain, numbness, and burning.
Isn't AI creepy? Let's look at him point again, and I'm going to mute it just for this one part. Look at him point and kind of it's all AI. I don't think it's just a face replacement. Look at this. You can tell it's AI. I mean, just look at his hair. It just doesn't look right. You know what I mean? Has kind of like a computer generated, almost video game, shiny, smooth look, which is how you know something's going to be AI based upon that or other signs.
Their function, causing pain, numbness, and burning. And these toxins, they're hidden in dozens of foods we consider healthy and eat every single day. That's why the problem only gets worse, even when you do everything right. Lie number 2, gabapentin and pregabalin will fix.
Gabapentin, it kind of is spelled nicely, and then Lyrica, the letters are a little bit messed up because, again, AI.
Fix it. These drugs don't regenerate any nerves. They're like electrical tape on a frayed wire. They cover up the short circuit, but they don't fix it. All they do is shut off the pain signal in your brain, and meanwhile, the damage continues silently in your nerves. And you know what's worse, besides the horrible side?
These scams prey on people. They are terrible. And the people behind these scams know that what they're doing is terrible. But, money trumps everything, I guess, for them, apparently.
These drugs make it even harder for nerves to regenerate like they should. In other words, the more you take, the harder it gets to regenerate what's been lost. Lie number 3, there's no cure. Now, this lie is the cruelest of all because it makes you give up before even trying something real. But I discovered that there actually is a path to nerve regeneration. And it all starts with a simple Japanese spice.
Yes. Okay. So they're going to do the recipe thing. The promise of a recipe is a classic scam thing that's been going on for at least a number of years, where they claim, we're going to reveal a recipe to you. And they talk about it in a Facebook or an Instagram ad. It goes to a long video on a website where they talk more about the recipe for like an hour. And at the very end, it's a bottle of pills. That's the same. There's no recipe. They're lying to you. There is no Japanese red vitamin for nerve pain. That's like a buzzword tagline thing for the scam, created to make it sound interesting.
Mixed with apple cider vinegar and warm water. This simple mix helps the body flush out the nerve-destroying toxins through urine, often starting within just a few days. Thousands of people have regained sensitivity. They've started walking again, holding objects, even sleeping without pain. No drugs, no addiction, no injections. So if you feel like neuropathy is taking over your body, do yourself a favor and watch the full video before it's too late. It's already been taken down twice for threatening the profits of the pharmaceutical industries.
They do that all the time. They claim, oh, Big Pharma is going to get mad. They're going to take the video down. And of course, Big Pharma doesn't care about this. It's a scam. It's not legitimate. It doesn't have any legitimate purpose at all. It's not going to do anything. It is a scam product created to make people money. It's just a delivery device for money, like a garbage product that delivers people money. And they hope they can stay, unknown, unidentified, secret, hidden, and keep making money before they, close up shop and open up a different scam somewhere else on a different website, going from scam to scam, hoping to remain undetected and keep bringing in money over and over again. And again, Meta allows that to happen because they accept money from scammers. Then they ask you to hit report ad if you see an ad that you find violates their terms of service, because you're on their payroll, right? It's just really terrible.
So click learn more now and discover what this natural ritual is before they take it down.
Yes, the natural ritual. There is no natural ritual. So this Facebook page, by the way, this is an AI generated photo or a fake photo. It's not a real person. How I know that? It resembles the same look in the eyes, the face, whatever, as the people on thispersondoesnotexist.com. The Facebook ad had the video of the guy, whatever, the AI guy talking, then goes to this website, which is JapaneseRedVitamin.online. And it says Dr. Kenji Satoh. And then for some reason, I noticed at the very top of the page, the title in the code is Dr. Senji Kato, which is not correct with everything else. So they couldn't even get that right. And so let's watch part of this video. I'll tell you what I know about this and kind of try to wrap this up pretty fast. As featured in USA Today, CBS, NBC, and Fox News, this product was never featured. And if this is a real doctor, he has nothing to do with this. If it's not a real doctor, if it's an actor, whatever, that's not the important thing. The important thing is you don't order this. So this is either going to be an AI generated guy, a deep fake, someone who has nothing to do with this, or an actor. There's no one legitimate who is a medical professional who endorsed this product.
They use these two ingredients, apple cider vinegar and this typical Japanese spice, to end your neuropathy suffering once and for all. I know what you might be going through: tingling, burning, numbness, shock-like sensations, and all the terrible pain that this condition called neuropathy causes. It doesn't matter if your neuropathy is diabetic, chemotherapy-induced, idiopathic, or if you're one of the millions of Americans who haven't even gotten a diagnosis that explains the cause of your nerve pain. These two ingredients are what you need. And
that's the AI guy again, I think, right?
This simple yet powerful mixture is what I call the Japanese red vitamin. If the pain caused by neuropathy is somehow impacting your life and getting rid of it is your goal, the only thing I ask is your trust, not only in me, but in the decades of study and research that I've dedicated to studying nerve health, and which led me to finally, at 89 years of age, discover the real cause of neuropathy and the best way to reverse it. This might be the most important and eye-opening video any person living with neuropathy could be watching today. For the first time, I'll finally be able to answer one of the most common questions thousands of neuropathy patients ask me every single day. Doctor, is there really a natural way to get rid of neuropathy for good and actually regrow my damaged nerves?
Maybe, but you're not going to find it in this video. So I don't know if we need to watch a whole lot more of this. I finished this video in another tab, and after that happens, it loads this claim your offer button. So you have to watch an hour-long video to even figure out what the product name is.
My name is Dr. Kenji Satoh. I'm 89 years old and a doctor specializing in inflammation, neurodegeneration, and traditional Japanese medicine. I graduated from the University of Tokyo back in...
That looks AI generated down here too. What is he, from the year 1864? What is with the quality of the photo? I have better quality photos of New York from the 1870s. What is going on with that? Terrible. I guess someone asked an AI tool, come up with a historical photo of Japanese scientists. And instead of doing a 60s or 1970s looking sort of photo, they went straight to the 19th century and
1961, and I've been working in clinical research.
That is the most AI generated thing. That's AI generated. All right, I'm not going to keep watching. So they mentioned Josh. Oh, they're talking about this guy, Josh Summers, who has nothing to do with this. Nerve Flow, don't order it. I talked about everything else I think might come with a subscription of hundreds of dollars a month. Call your credit card company if you did make an order. Stay away from this. Go see a doctor. Don't fall for online scams. Hit the thanks button down below, the heart-shaped symbol with the $sign if you want to get back to me in a safe and secure way. And thank you so much for watching.